Well, I think we found a wind speed at which it is not safe to run the Disney Skyliner today. There's a big storm moving in from the west. Gonna have a severe weather tonight, but they've already shut the Disney Skyliner down. I suspect it hasn't been running. I don't know for sure. But you can see the cars are swaying back and forth in the breeze. So on days like today when the Disney Skyliners aren't running, they do go back to their regular every 20-minute schedule of buses from the Disney Skyliner resorts. And when the Skyliner is running, those are just every hour. So buses for Pop Century, Art of Animation, Disney's Riviera, and Caribbean Beach Resort.